Hey guys, I'm Baran and I want to welcome you back to the Rainy Moon Kitchen. Today we're going to spice some things up with a little bit of some homemade hot sauce and a little bit of some crushed red pepper. My mom's Turkish and my dad just likes spicy food, and we used to have a ton of crops and we didn't know what to do with them because we had like millions of them. My dad wanted to do something with them. He found a recipe of homemade hot sauce and homemade crushed red pepper. And today we are going to show you how to turn this into this. What you will need for the homemade hot sauce are your favorite red peppers, and my dad likes these red peppers because it just makes a nice color at the end. Remember, whatever the color of your peppers you get is going to be the color of your hot sauce. And these aren't very spicy, so my dad gets some habanero peppers to make it a little spicier. And then you'll need a shallot, some garlic, a bay leaf, and 3 or 4 cups of vinegar. Half of your favorite red peppers are going to be used for the homemade hot sauce, and the other half is going to be used for the crushed red pepper. And that's about 2 pounds. And yeah, let's get into cooking. First thing you want to do is to get an adult to remove the stems from the pepper and chop them. Same with the habaneros. See all these seeds, guys? You want those. And same with the shallot. And the garlic. Okay guys, for the crushed red pepper, you just need to remove the stems. You don't need to chop them. I'm going to add my bay leaf and my vinegar. Then I'm going to bring this to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to ask a grown-up to run it through a food processor from 60 to 90 seconds. Here we're going to strain out the sauce. It'll take a long time to strain, so keep stirring it. And eventually you'll end up with this. This is a really good hot relish. My dad likes to spread it on a grilled bun and eat it with Italian sausage. This part is fun. Get a grown-up to help you to pour it into whatever container you want. I found these cool hot sauce bottles on Amazon. Links are in the description. Get a cooking sheet and line it with aluminum foil. It's really important that the peppers don't have any water on them when you start this process. Once you have your peppers arranged, put them on your oven at the lowest setting and just leave them overnight. Most ovens will automatically turn off after 12 hours. That's usually enough, but if you have big peppers like I do, you might have to do it a little bit longer. And this is what they look like after 14 hours. They've darkened a lot in color. When you touch them, they almost feel like paper. And if you squeeze it, it should literally crumble in your hand like this. and run the food processor until you get a powdery consistency. And you can use this to put it on pasta, pizza, soups, whatever you want. If you look back to our pasta with meat sauce video, this is the pepper that we use to add to our sauce. Well guys, this is the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Oh yeah, and the hot sauce makes an awesome gift. Alright, see you guys next week!